Do you like reading books, news, or magazines? Which types of books do you prefer to study? How many books are you studying during a week, a month, or a year? 1, 10, or 100 books? Do you want to find the answers of these questions? So keep watching this video and join this session for find out the answers of initial questions. In this session, we are going to study 25 reading tips for beginners. Let's enjoy learning new tips. Hey there fellows, welcome to the next session of English App. I'm Mir-Rahim, founder of English App and your host. And in today's session we are going to study 25 reading tips for beginner readers. Let's explore what are they. 25 reading tips for beginner readers. Number 1. Take time to relax before you read. Stretch and take a few deep breaths. Then energize by visualizing a past success. Number 2. View reading as a method of processing information rather than a mechanical act of reading each word. Number 3. Create a mental image about the information you read. Remember that one picture is worth 1,000 words. Number 4. Take frequent brief breaks to relax. Read for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Take 4 deep breaths and a few stretches. Number 5. Summarize out loud the main ideas that you learn. Schedule 3 to 5 minutes for every 30 minutes you study. Number 6. Take a few minutes after you read a selection to write a brief summary and then add 2 facts and examples. Number 7. Create short quizzes to test your understanding of the material you have read for each assignment. Number 8. Learn the elements of a diagram and then recreate it from memory on a blank page. Check accuracy and edit if necessary. Number 9. Turn the bold titles of the chapter into questions. Answer by writing notes in the margin. Focus on main ideas, then on facts. Number 10. Use standard abbreviations or create your own when writing notes based on textbooks or articles. Number 11. Highlight text only after you say or rephrase and then write it in your own words in the margins, in notes or note card. Number 12. Read when you are most rested and alert and least distracted. You will learn faster, greater, and enjoy better retention. Number 13. View vocabulary has a basic building block of comprehension and use illustrations to help understand and memorize meaning. Number 14. Focus attention by reading to answer questions or searching for keywords and phrases. Repeat information in your own words. Number 15. Define a purpose for reading and then select a strategy for that purpose. Ask, should I survey, skim, or read closely? Number 16. Create diagrams and charts after you read a selection. This enhances your comprehension and retention. Number 17. Read an assignment or article and discuss with a study partner the main ideas, facts, and implications. Number 18. Distinguish between reading to understand a concept and memorizing the information for use later. Number 19. Generate questions from the lecture titles. This provides a purpose for reading and an overview of the material. Number 20. Read the introduction, illustrations, and summary as a preview of the assignment and recite the main ideas in your own words. Number 21. Increase reading rate by reading newspaper articles rapidly to answer the questions who, what, where, when, why. Number 22. Increase reading rate by reading an interesting and easy novel for 15 minutes each day. Focus on plot and character. Number 23. Do word and crossword puzzles to improve vocabulary and word usage. Use the dictionary to learn unfamiliar words. Number 24. Read the front page of a newspaper each day and discuss with a friend the main ideas and a few facts about one article. Number 25. Read a newspaper article and then listen to the radio and television versions. Compare the amount of background and detail. Did you get something new about reading? I hope you found the answers of initial questions and learned new reading tips. Thanks for putting your time and watching this video. If you have any new tips regarding to reading, put down in the comment below the video. Finally, if you are interested at learning advanced English in simple ways and create a community of English learners with me, so do not wait and don't waste the time. For informing me, press the subscribe button under the video and the bell icon right next to it and give me a thumbs up and happy learning. At the end, I have a piece of study cute for you. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body.